In our last lesson, we learned how to make use of elimination method in solving simultaneous linear equations. Alright, given these examples, we are going to use substitution method to solve all of this. The first example, we have 2 over e minus 3 over f is equal to 1. We have 2 open bracket 1 over e. 1 over e is what multiply these two, minus 3, 1 over f is what multiply the 3 is equal to 1. So what we'll do now, we say let 1 over e be equal to x and 1 over f equal to y. Now that we have it that way, we want it to be, we don't want fraction, we want it to be a whole number. What we do now, we have a whole number with the variables. We have 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This for equation 1 now. The next one, we have 8 over e plus 9 over f is equal to 1 over 2. So just as we did the first, we have 8 open bracket 1 over e plus 9 open bracket 1 over f is equal to 1 over 2. Recall that we said 1 over e is x, so we have 8x plus 9y is equal to 1 over 2. Since I don't want a fraction, I multiply through by 2. Through by 2. So we have 2 times 8, 16x plus 18y is equal to 1. This one is equation 2. With the knowledge of subject formula, that's what we use to solve substitution method. So we say make x the subject in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So we have 2x is equal to 1 plus 3y. Divide both sides by 2. So that x will now be equal to 1 plus 3y all over 2. The value of x that we have gotten here from making x the subject is 1 plus 3y over 2. Substitute x, this value is equal to 1 plus 3y over 2. Let's substitute it in equation 2. Substituting it in equation 2, recall that our equation 2 here is 16x plus 18y is equal to 1. So we have 16, our x here is 1 plus 3y over 2 plus 18y is equal to 1. So what we have here is 16 plus 48y all over 2 plus 18y is equal to 1. Multiply through again by 2 so that we'll get rid of fraction. So now multiplying through by 2, what we have is 16 plus 48y plus 2 multiplied by 18y, that's 36y is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. From here we have 16 plus 84y is equal to 2. So 84y is equal to 2 minus 16. 84y is equal to minus 14. We divide both sides by 84. So we can make y stand alone. So y is equal to minus 1 over 6. Now that we have gotten the value of y, we'll try to get the value of x. We substitute y equal to minus 1 over 6 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 2x minus 3 open bracket minus 1 over 6, because our y is minus 1 over 6 is equal to 1. So we have 2x minus minus plus 3 over 6 is equal to 1. Let's reduce this is 1 times, this is 2 times. So we have 2x plus 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Multiply through again. Through by 2. When we multiply through by 2, what we have here is 4x plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have 4x is equal to 2 minus 1. 4x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 4. So x is now equal to 1 over 4. Recall that our unknown is not x and y. We'll go back to how we got to our unknown. Remember we said that 1 over e, let's say it is x. And the value of x here is 1 over e is equal to 1 over 4. Cross multiply so that we can get the value of x. E will be equal to 4. Then to get our f, 1 over f is equal to y. 1 over f is equal to minus 1 over 6. Cross multiply again. So we have minus f is equal to 6. Divide both sides by minus 1. So that we'll get rid of the minus in the variable. So what we have here is f is equal to minus 6. So if you input this value, you can be able to get the actual values of the equation when you check them. Let's see how we can do our example 2. Okay, the second example says 3 open bracket 3f plus 2g is equal to 5 minus f. This is equation 1. So this is what we do. You open the bracket. We have 9f plus 6g is equal to 5 minus f. Collect like terms. 9f plus f plus 6g is equal to 5. So we have 10f plus 6g is equal to 5. This is equation 1. The next one is 4g plus 5 is equal to 2g minus 5f. We open the bracket. So we have 4g plus 5 is equal to 2g minus 10f. Collect like terms. We have 4g minus 2g plus 10f is equal to, I move this one, that's why, minus 5. So we are left with 2g plus 10f is equal to minus 5. Remember, we are making use of substitution method. With the knowledge of subject formula, let's make g subject in equation 2, because the last one we made use of equation 1 in equation 2. Equation 2 is 2g plus 10f is equal to minus 5. So to make g subject, we have 2g is equal to minus 5 minus 10f. G subject, we divide both sides by 2. So that g is now equal to minus 5 minus 10f over 2. Substitute g equal to minus 5 minus 10f over 2. Let's substitute it in equation 1. Equation 1 is 10f plus 6g is equal to 5. So we have 10f plus 6, our g is minus 5 minus 10f all over 2 is equal to 5. We open the bracket. We have 10f plus minus 5 times 6, is minus 30 plus 6 times minus 60f all over 2 is equal to 5. Multiply through by 2. By 2. So what we have here is now 20f minus 30 minus 60f is equal to 10. Okay. The f's, let's subtract them. So we have 20f minus 60f, that's minus 40f is equal to 10 plus 30. Minus 40f is equal to 40. Divide both sides by minus 40. So what we have, f is now equal to minus 1. So we substitute f minus 1. Substitute f is equal to minus 1 in any equation. So let's choose equation 2 right now. Equation 2 says 2g plus 10f is equal to minus 5. So 2g plus 10 minus 1 is equal to minus 5. So we have 2g plus minus 1 times 10 minus 10 is equal to minus 5. So we have 2g is equal to minus 5 plus 10. 2g is equal to 5. So we divide both sides by 2. So that our g will now be equal to 5 over 2. The last question says 2a plus 3b minus 1 is equal to 3a plus b plus 7 is equal to a plus 2b. So this one, let's call this a, let's call this one b, and let's call this c. Let's equate them. It means that a is equal to b, and b is equal to c, and c is equal to a. Either way, so we say a is equal to c, b is also equal to c. I just pick this one, and also a is equal to b. So let me use this two. A is 2a plus 3b minus 1 is equal to a plus 2b. So we have here 2a minus a plus 3b minus 2b is equal to minus 1 moves over, becomes 1. 2a minus a is a, plus 3b minus 2b is b, is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And then b, 3a plus b plus 7 is equal to a plus 2b. So we have 3a minus a plus b minus 2b is equal to, plus 7 moves over, it becomes minus 7. So what we have here now is 2a, b minus 2b is minus b is equal to minus 7. Now that we have gotten this value, let's make b the subject. Making b the subject, it will now be, make this equation 2 b subject in equation 2. So we have 2a minus 7 comes over, it becomes plus 7 is equal to b, goes over, it becomes b. So b is equal to 2a plus 7. So we substitute the value of b. Substitute b equal to 2a plus 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 1. So a plus 2a plus 7 is equal to 1. 3a plus 7 is equal to 1. 3a is equal to 1 minus 7. Okay, so 3a is equal to minus 6. Divide both sides by 3. So our a is equal to minus 2. Substitute a equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Our original equation 2 is 2a minus b is equal to minus 7. 2 open bracket minus 2 minus b is equal to minus 7. So we have minus 4 minus b is equal to minus 7. So minus b is equal to minus 7 plus 4. So minus b is equal to minus 3. Divide both sides by minus 1 so that our b will stand alone. So that now we have b is equal to 3. Now let's check if our answer gives us the same value. We check. So now, anytime you are given equation like this, just equate them to each other. Make one. Choose 2 of them and make them a simultaneous equation and solve. So from here, let's check and see if our answer is correct. Our a here, our a is minus 2, so we have 2 minus 2 plus 3. B is 3 minus 1. Let's see what the answer gives us. Minus 4 plus 9 minus 1 is equal to what? The answer is equal to 4. Let's see if this one will also give us 4. 3 open bracket minus 2 plus 3 plus 7. This is minus 6 plus 10. The answer gave us 4. Let's see for this one. A is minus 2 plus 2b. B is 3. So we have minus 2 plus 6. The answer also gave us 4.